Okay, tell. Green. Minente lethu na. We move fast, guys.
Iwinile.
Oh, lo khulumako ngiselula kwamagagula uthisha weSunday school. Lama game ebesiwadlala this improve skill mostly engqondweni yomntwana because most yabo bayafunda la esikolweni and la lengikuthemba ukuthi onke lama skills nale concentration labayelile la bato apply even na setting words ekhaya.
Ngiyanibingelela abazalwane egameni lika Jesu Kristu. This is Pastor Sabelo Zulu from MS in Christ Ministries. Njengoba nje ingane zihlangene la MS in Christ Ministries, ama-holiday ingane ziyajabula, ziyazana, ziyathandana, and we are growing in Christ. The purpose yalama games ukuhlanganisa ingane zasebandleni nama-teens wasebandleni. Lama games they are sponsored by Ibelo Online Shop. Ngoba sibandla siyakujabulela ukuthi abantwana bajabule ebandleni, enkonzweni kube mnandi, ingane zibe entertained.
Ngiyabingelela abazalwane egameni lika Jesu. Lokhuluma lapha ngikweni ngosiphesihle ngamagagula Sibongo. Ngifuna ukuthi ngichampu kulama games lesaqala kwadlala. Ngaqala kwadlala ngawina last time, ngawina amateki nento yokubhala. This time ngawina Mazimba neClipper.